Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to change the headlight bulbs on this 2005 Toyota Camry. Alright guys, pop the hood, go behind the headlight, and you're going to have your bulbs here. So this is going to be your high beam bulb, and right here is the low beam, okay? That's the one we're going to change today. So you're going to grab it, turn it counterclockwise, and pull it out, okay? Once you get it out, you're going to have your plug over here. So you just press on that and just pull it out, okay? Press it, pull it out. All right, these are the bolts you got to get, 9006. So make sure you get two of them and change them both at the same time, because these are made to last just a certain amount of time. So if one went out, that means the other one is soon to go out. So might as well change them both. Plus, if you change one and not the other, it's going to be like a different beam. One might be brighter than the other, so might as well do them both. All right, guys, this is your new bulb. So make sure you wear gloves, because if you touch this with your bare hands, the oil in your hands is going to mess up the halogen bulb. So you make sure you wear gloves. You're just going to plug it in. Okay. And once you plug it in, you're just going to put it right back in the hole. And you're going to put it in the same way you took it out. So make sure it's cocked a little bit to the left here. Put it in and then turn clockwise. Okay, it's going to be straight up and down. And that's it. Alright guys, so that was the easy side. This side is a little harder because you have the battery in the way and you have a lot less room to play with. So, but it's the same thing. This is your bulb right here, okay? Alright guys, we got lights. That was pretty easy, right? So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.